Well, hello everyone, and this is ML Enthusiast, and this is my first video, so it might not seem like a professional video because this is my first time I'm setting up my studio, and yeah, so I'm actually going to upload a few videos coming on about this very good book that is hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. So this book is pretty popular, like almost it's like a must-have for anybody who's learning machine learning, for beginners as well as advanced users, and it's like a zero to hero book. And I wanted to, maybe thought I actually went through the book end to end, and I thought that maybe I can share what I've learned through a series of videos and try to make it easier for people to understand this book. And first of all, thank you, Garon, for making such a beautiful book. Like, it's going to help me a lot and many other people also in this world. So that's what I wanted to say. And this this book is like I'm just gonna read it out. Through a series of breakthroughs, deep learning has boosted the entire field, blah, 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 blah. So, coming to the end of this, you'll learn machine learning fundamentals through an end-to-end project using scikit-learn and pandas, which I'll be explaining, which will be in chapter 2 of this book. And then you'll build and train many neural network architectures for classification and regression, which is in the part 2 of this book, where you learn about neural networks and deep learning in special. So that is what you learn about, and all this code is available on GitHub, and I myself am going to create my own GitHub repo for this book and do all the code, like not even leaving a single code that is present in this book, and put them in a Jupyter notebook so that you can use it and understand it on your own. And that GitHub repo is still in development, so it's going to go along with the series of videos. So if you find that this is not, if you feel that okay, or you want to give suggestions, please do that in the comments below. And finally, we'll be deploying a few models also, which is again in part 2. And then we'll be learning about one special thing which I like the most part in this book is the reinforcement learning part. And I think that this is going to be an epic on-flow, epic, I guess an epic series of videos. So, like I am looking forward to the working of this series, and I recommend that you keep this book like aside while watching the series of videos so that it's more easier for you to understand. But yeah, if not, no problem, because I'll be going through the entire book end to end, and in a few series of videos, like I don't know, probably like I would say approximately 10 to 15 videos, maybe, maybe not. So, this book is really helpful, and if you want to learn more about what I do and how I started learning, you can check out my GitHub repo and no, my GitHub profile. I mean, sorry, and you can keep it with that in line.